Hello guys, welcome to Jsquare Digitals. My name is Enya James. Again, you are welcome to the Visual Fridays. In the Visual Friday, we show you the design process on how we are able to create a certain design or video during the week. And this will be dropped every Friday on our YouTube channel. So don't forget to come over here every Friday to watch the design process of how we were able to create a design or video during the week. So last week we created a flyer design. So this week I was like saying, okay, let me create a logo. So I created a logo for Fox Ride. That's what, and I'm going to show you how I created that logo or this logo using our Pixellab. So if you missed last week video, don't forget to click the link on the description box below so that you're going to watch the video of last week and also gain knowledge on how it was done. Alright, so in today's video I said I'll be creating a logo for a logistic company called Fox Ride. Don't stress yourself. Fox Ride is just a fictional name, company name I just formed to be able to create this logo for this purpose. So the name isn't found anywhere. So, but the logo I created it using Pixellab. So another thing you should note about the Visual Friday is that it's designed for people who have smartphone to learn how to do some designs using their smartphone instead of waiting or getting a PC. They can use their smartphone to create designs. Alright, so without wasting much of our time, let's get started by opening our Pixellab. So if you have not downloaded the Pixellab, this is the icon, the app icon. So it's available on Play Store. So you go ahead and download it. So I'll open it. Just follow my step, every step I take in this video, and you will get it. Alright, so and cancel this. That's if you were working on something before, but if you are just opening it for the first time, you have to allow some permissions and you will see this interface. Alright, so I'll be using my marker to point to what I want you to click. So click on that place, which is the ways being to delete this default text. The next thing is click on this grid to change the grid. Click here and also click on this to adjust the number of grid lines. So I'll be working with a grid of 15 by 15. Alright, so click OK. So click here to remove this. So there are sometimes I won't be using my marker, so I'll make sure I call the name out so that you will understand, so that this video also will be fast. So I hope you saw what I did there. Click on this plus icon, just follow my clicks and then click on shape. So I'm going to be adding this shape rectangle, the square. So click here to snip it to the grid, then adjust it to. Alright, so the next thing is come over, scroll down and increase the radius to, let's say, to 50. 50 is okay. Click on OK. Come over to this middle icon below, then go to color and enable it. So the first color is red. So also we are going to add another shape. So I'll move the shape to, let's see. Alright, so leave it like this. That it will be on the fourth grid line. So click OK. The next thing is click on this drawer. So open your drawer, that is the layer. Then we have this initially. So what you just need to do is, okay, let me show you. click on this icon, the only icon below, to select the two. Now click on this icon to merge. So we are going to merge it into one. As you can see, we have merged it. So the next thing you need to do is to remove the white shape. So click on the shape, then move over to erase color. Since you are on the objects menu, then enable it, the color will erase. But if I click on my drawer, you can see they are not what the same thing. So what I'm just going to, like what I have on my design space is not the same with my drawer. So what I'm going to do is so that we'll be able to identify it directly. So I will just copy this, and the one that I just copy, hide it. You can see it's no more on the working space, but it's on the drawer. So what you just need to do is mark them and merge again. So we have it like this. Very good. So we'll add another shape. So increase this to have let's say, okay, I think, okay, let me know the number of grid I'm having here. Alright, so I think this is okay. So what you just need to do is click on OK here, and I think let me reduce it again. So I'll go back to edit, and I think what I need to do is position it on a grid line like that, and now, yes, this is what I want to do. Should be on the line. Alright, so I think this is okay. So now let me center it. You now move over to rotate and rotate it. Let me rotate it. So just try and position it the way I'm positioning mine. Alright, it's too big. So what I'll just do is head over and just reduce it like this. I think. Alright, so let me use that width. So continue and rotate it again. Rotate it. Just follow the step I take. I think I need to also rotate it once more. Alright, so very good. I'll move it up, and I think it's very good like this. So we can, let's see if this works well. Let's see if this works. So that we'll be able to have something like this. Alright, so you can see how I align the tip of the shape I just did is on a grid line, and the other edge is also on a grid line. So you can, let me show you the rotation is at minus 52 degrees, so you can also check yours and have the same range. So click on the drawer and group the two, mesh the two. So I want to let you know that before I came up with this logo, I had to sketch it. So I did my research, got some took my sketchboard and sketch. Maybe one of these days I will tell you how I come up with logo design ideas or the rest, but for now let's show you. So I've done my sketches, and now what I'm doing is my I'm vectorizing the logo. So bringing the sketch into vector illustrator. So let's see what we're going to do. So after group imaging them, what you need to do is come to erase color and remove the white. So now the next thing you need to do is copy this. No, first of all, go to relative position and put it at the center. So now copy this and check the drawer. You can see it's not at what, as in the what we have on the working space is not the same thing we have on the drawer. So we'll just repeat the process by hiding this and merge these two. Merge it and they become one, but I don't want to remove the extra space there that is blank, so I will copy it again and merge it. Oh, okay, I said I will hide this first one I copied, not the second one, then merge the two. Alright, so I think I haven't done that. You can as well crop this from here. You can crop it from here and we have something like this, but I don't want to crop. Let's see. Alright, so copy it, centralize it also, and go to crop. That is the one you just copied, and flip it. So you can click here to flip it to vertical. So you have something like this. So the next thing you need to do is move it inward to form the shape. So you have a shape of what we have, the shape of a fox. Sorry, yes, a fox at the middle. You can see that's just the concept. Alright, so check if they are all aligned. Very good. So I'll click on my background. I'll click on my background and change the color to white. So we have this. So you can save this as your raw file so that whenever you want to make any changes, you can come over here and make any change. So but for now, since you don't need to make any change, what you just need to do is now group them. Let me see. Okay, this is hidden, so let me see where that is from. So we don't need this, so I'll just delete that off, delete it, then group this. Alright, so now we are good to go. This is the fox, the logo icon that we want to create. So next thing is giving it a color. Come to color, so click on color, enable it. Alright, then we'll use a gradient color. So I have it on this particular color palette, but I will show you how I was able to get it. So click on just combination of two colors. So click on this plus icon and select and move this let's see, just try as much as possible. So I'll just alright, so this is what I want to achieve, so we can go ahead and adjust it. So but that's not the color I want to do. So what I'll just do here is click on this color to select, to change the black. So click this. Now I'm going to pick something similar to orange. Alright, so I think just now click on the second region of color and click on the eyedropper and click create something like let's see, just try and pick. Right, so I don't think they are the same also, so let me use a darker region here for this. I think we're getting there, and I think I need to use a lighter one here. So just follow the and try and choose your color gradient. So if this is not what I get. So I'll just show you what I click on. So let me click on the one on my my color palette, then show you, so you can see how it is. So let me click over here and edit it, so you can now fix in these details, fixing these details for your own to get the exact orange. Then for this orange, the second orange, fix in these details also, these details, fix it in. Just pause the video and copy all these values down. Then make sure your rulers are like this, so to be able to get the gradient. Alright, so that is that. So we have the icon, but this logo is a word mark. So what you just need to do is type Fox ride. So I'm going to type F, and I'll use the next letter is O, but I'll use the icon as the O. So the next thing is I'll come over to change my font. So I have the font I want to use on I downloaded it, so you can also download it. The font name is Bristone, download and install. So I showed you how to install fonts onto your Pixellab in the last video. So go over and click it. So not to waste about our time, just click on, if you have added it, click on the Bristone. So we resize this and leave it here. I think not really nice. This font isn't nice for me. Let me see if, okay, this is the font. I think the O will tell O, and let me change the font to Bristol. I'm trying to get the particular font I use. Yes, it's actually Bristol. Yes, because of the O. So I'll delete the O. Like I said, I want to make this F the O to be this our logo icon. So I want to create our grid. So I'll put it at 15 by 15, not by 18 rather. I'll put it 15 by 15. Alright, so then I will use this to get the height of my font. Yes, I think I want to work with that height. Then the next thing is to reduce our icon to be of that height, so how we bring this and position it. I think let me use this relative position and increase it to this height. Yes, then I'll do the same to this font. I will change the font size. Alright, so just follow what I'm doing. Alright, I think I like the height. So then the next thing is arranging the keying. That is the space between one letter with another. So I'll just give it a small space, and next is copy the F now to write out the other colors and the other letters, and position it again and give it the same keying. So the next thing is I'll write the spelling of the rest. So I'll write it like this, and we have this. Alright, so Now when you get here, you need to change it to the color, so I'll use black. Alright, so do the same thing with F and change it to black. So we have the fox ride, so I will group them, go over to my coming. So go over to the drawer and mark everything. Click here and position it. Alright, so you can save this and as your also raw file. So what you just need to do now is to merge everything, and we are done. So I will reduce it to this size. Alright, before I merge, there is one thing I want to do. I want to copy and this, because I'll be needing it, so I will hide it and then go over and merge the rest. Alright, so I'll reduce it and we are done with our front. So you can get our logo, rather you can get a good time tagline and put it below. So what I said I want to do is this. So this is just the front. So I'll just the icon. So I will enlarge it to make this beautiful. Send it to the back, and although we are done with our logo design, I hope you know. So I just want to make this nice and fine. Then that's all. So that is how I was able to create this fox ride. So you can follow this step and create yours. And okay. Now if you want to get to me, like chat me up privately, I'll drop my WhatsApp number, my personal WhatsApp number, for you to also message me for any questions you want to ask. Then, or follow my updates on my WhatsApp status. Or if you want, then also on the description box, I'll drop the Jsquare Digitals WhatsApp um, number, so that you too can also get updates from our platform. So go ahead and like this video, comment if you have any question, and if you like this video, comment. Also send us if you've learned something, if you get value from this. Alright, so if you want to also ask question, you can drop a question on the description, on the comment section, and we'll attend to it. Or you want us to design a particular design for you, we'll reach out to you through the comment section or through our WhatsApp status. So you can like us on our social media handles and the rest. I'll drop everything on the description box below. So if you alright, that's all for today. I'll see you in the next video. Don't forget, this is Visual Friday, brought to you by Jsquare Digitals. Bye for now.